Hello guys, and welcome back to Amil's Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix like the Xbox issue, like when you connect your headphones to the controller but like you still hear the audio through the speakers. So let's get started. So in order to fix that, like when you connect your headphones, like when you connect your wired headphones to the speaker, when you connect it here and it says it's connected but you still hear the audio through the speakers, in order to fix that, what you have to do is you have to go over to settings. From settings, you can then go over to general, and then from general, go down to volume and audio output. Once you're here, go over to advanced and then additional options. And then from here, if you scroll down, it will say mute speaker audio when headphone attached, and then go ahead and just click on it. So make sure the check is there. Once the check is there, you can go back. You can click on the Xbox logo on the controller. And then from here, if you go all the way to the bottom, you will notice that there is a audio and music tab, and you can click on that. And then this is where you can like edit your settings. So like, make it higher, lower, etc. So yeah, that is basically it. That is it for the video. That is how you can fix this issue. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.